Hello guys, my name is Juliana Aguirre. This video is about the vowel sound, but I don't only talk about A, E, I, O, and U. I also talk about the different sound of vowels, right? The vowels, there are different sounds. For example, the letter I in this case is I and E. There are two sounds very different. I is its sound short and I is a sound long, right? It's a long sound. Next is U and U, a long sound. Next sound is E and schwa sound, right? The lazy schwa. E and E. Next sound is O and O. Next sound is A and O, right? So it's very important to know the principal move organs to produce these sounds, right? These organs are the tongue, the lips, and the bone, right? So for this reason, I have created this chart to explain the tongue position. The first one is front. The front of the tongue rises during the articulation of sound. These sounds are I, I, E. For example, I. It's a short sound. Beat and mid. It's a long sound, right? And E. It's short. For example, egg. Next position is center. The center of the tongue is involved in the articulation of sound. The lazy schwa and it's a long sound. For example, today and her. Next position is back. Articulate with the back of the tongue, rises or lowered or in between. These sounds are oo, oo, o, and o, right? For example, to, oo. It's a long sound to cook, and this sound is very short. Cook, cook, and dog, dog. It's short too. Horse. It's long, right? Next position is hide close. This type of vowel articulates with the front, center, or back. When the tongue is a high note close to the roof on the mouth, of the mouth. These sounds are E, E, U, and U. Next position is mid. This type of vowel causes the tongue to rise only slightly in a middle position. The sounds are E, A, O, 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 right? For example, that and but. The last position is these types of vowel are positioned near the floor of the mouth and are produced with the mouth open. This sound is for example, part. On the other hand, there are other sounds named the tones, right? The tone is an articulation of two different sounds. Um, it's important to mention there are 8 diphthongs, right? The first sound is sounds R, right? I and U. E. For example, here, near and dear. Next sounds are E, E and U, right? For example, R, care, and share. Next is U and U, tor, pour, and sure. Next is A and U. For example, house, mouse, and sound. Next is E, U. For example, all, whole, and both. Next sound is E, E. For example, date, plane, and shame. Next is A, U. For example, time, sight, and kind. Finally is O-E, O-E. Boil, voice, and noise. Well guys, this has been it for now. Thank you for watching my video.